Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the magic of creating stunning Christmas card designs with Midjourney. Whether you're crafting heartfelt greetings for family and friends or designing unique cards for your business, this video will guide you step by step. By the end, you'll have all the tools and inspiration you need to create designs that truly capture the holiday spirit. And don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to make your cards even more special. Let's get started. Every Christmas card tells a story, and your first step is deciding the overall vibe. Now, are you aiming for something cozy and traditional, or perhaps modern and minimalist? Well, maybe you're thinking of a whimsical winter wonderland. Now, Midjourney allows us to experiment with endless aesthetics. Now, let's start by generating some inspiration, starting with this prompt that I've put together right over here. Here we go. Take your time a bit to look through, or you could pause the video just to take notes. And also, just feel free to use right here, as you'll see the settings. So why don't we try to use this? Let's go with 4 by 3, then 6.1 version, raw mode, stylization. Go with this one. And weirdness, right here. And then variety, let's go with this one as well. All right, so let's hit generate and see what Midjourney comes up with. And also, you can upload an image if you'd like a cozy winter photo, to inspire Midjourney further. So I'd say this is as good as I can get. There we go. So while the image is being processed, think about what this aesthetic could bring to your cards. It could include nostalgic elements or warm tones that, make the recipient feel right at home. And then, here we go. The rendered images are now complete. Now take a look at this. See right here? Cozy cabin scene just screams holiday cheer. Just imagine this as a centerpiece or something of a greeting card, paired with a heartfelt message inside. Oh, sorry about that. I accidentally clicked that one. And yep, the watercolor art style adds a touch of elegance and charm. This aesthetic speaks to you. Well, if this would be the one overall, then you're off to a great start. Oh, and what I did with this, I accidentally clicked very subtle or strong. And you know what? It's not a mistake. You can go for it if you'd like to go more subtle or strong with the greeting cards design that you ever want to plan. And here you go. And this is the that was varied with this image right here. So here it is, right here, and right here, and right here, and another one right here. Oh, and also, let me have you look at the last two rendered images from the first batch, and here we go. See? Now that we've got our background, let's add some festive characters to bring the card to life. Think reindeer, or even playful elves, or even Santa himself, like this one right here in the center. So, Midjourney's flexibility lets us get as creative as we want. So, let's send off with this prompt. So I'd chosen a joyful Santa Claus holding a gift sack. There we go, accompanied by a group of adorable penguins wearing festive scarves and hats, all set against a snowy landscape with a twilight sky, semi-realistic style with vibrant colors. And also, just feel free to use the settings right here. So let's go with a square aspect ratio this time. Just going to keep it 6.1 with the version standard mode. Okay. Stylization, let's go with this one. Then weirdness, let's go take it down a notch. Like 700 right here. And variety, let's go halfway like there. All right, so let's send this off to Midjourney right about now. And of course, let's see how our festive squad comes together through the rendered images. Again, you could also add reference images of penguins or Santa for even more accuracy. Now, there we go. So while we wait, think about how characters can make your design stand out. Adding Santa, elves, or animals can make your cards appeal to mainly kids and also adults alike. So just wait for a bit. All right, there we go. The results right here. Wow, look at that. Santa and the penguins are quite full of life and color right here. See? There's also the twilight sky that creates such a magical atmosphere. Another one right here. Oh, they look very jolly right there. And another one right here. I kind of like this one. Oh, this is kind of creepy right here, but still adorable. And last one right here. Wow, look at that. Accompanied with birds in the background. All right, so these would be a perfect choice for a cheerful and playful card design. Just feel free to adjust as much as you want. And for now, for me, this look good, I must say. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's focus on the message, literally. The right text adds warmth and meaning to your card. With Midjourney, right here, we can combine stunning visuals with artistic typography, with an example like this one right here. So let's set it up with a simple prompt once again, like this one. So we could go with a simple text like warm wishes, just so Midjourney wouldn't get too complicated and have the results all jumbled up or something. Like with this one's, for instance, still. We'll see later on with the results. And adding it, we have gold calligraphy placed over a background of festive red and green, typical Christmas colors, ornaments with soft bouquet. I don't know if that might be the right pronunciation. If it's not, my apologies. Lights, and also a classy modern style. And once again, just feel free to adjust the settings right here for your prompt. So for me, let's go with 2 by 3. And then let's go with the raw. And then the stylization, let's keep it in the middle right here. And the weirdness, take it down a notch. Also take it down a notch right here. All right. So let's send this off right now and have Midjourney make the text placement possibly or potentially all seamless. But if you have a specific font or reference image for the lettering, you can upload it too with this option right here. So send this off right now. Okay, so as this processes, keep in mind that text doesn't just complement your visuals, it brings your card to life. Think about the size, style, and how it balances with the rest of the design. All right, and here it is as a result. Yep, I was kind of expected with the text all jumbled up, but hey, okay, there we go. Sorry, the loading may take up a bit, but still, despite the results of the text, at least the gold calligraphy really pops against the festive background, and also the bouquet lights right there, as you'll see, adds a dreamy, cozy glow. Now, this design for each of the rendered image is both elegant and timeless, perfect for any Christmas greeting. See? Finally, let's think outside the box. What about a Christmas card that's futuristic, tropical, or even steampunk inspired? Let's explore how far we can take this holiday tradition. Now, the theme that I would pick, let's see for my prompt, let's go with a steampunk theme right here. So I want like a vintage mechanical Santa Claus on a sleigh powered by gears and steam, flying over a city with glowing industrial lights. Has to be detailed with the illustration style. And yep, there it is, my prompt right here. And also, I could adjust with the settings. Let's say with keep it raw. Sorry about that. The style, take it up a notch like this, and raise it up with the weirdness right over here, and also keep it medium right here, halfway with the variety. And let's see, there we go. Let's go with the landscape. Yep. So let's just send this off right about now and see how Midjourney handles a steampunk Christmas. Again, it could upload reference images of, like, let's say, a mechanical design or steampunk gear to enhance accuracy. Well, let's see how this goes. Now, this is where creativity really shines. A unique theme like this is perfect for standing out, especially for people who love unconventional holiday designs. And then, here it is. Oh, what happened over here? Anyway, so look at this masterpiece right over here. As you'll see, the gears, the glowing lights, and mechanical Santa right here give such a fresh take on Christmas. See right over here. And another one. See? Mechanical sleigh. There we go. And another one right over here. See? Right over here. Look how intricate the details of the art in each of the rendered images here. Why don't we click this one and see if this pops up? Oh, it does. Nice. And it looks really cool, though. Now, this would make an unforgettable card for anyone who loves steampunk art. And there you have it. 4 creative ways to design your own Christmas cards with Midjourney. From cozy classics to bold, unique themes, the possibilities are endless. Let me know in the comments which design was your favorite. And don't forget to check out the pinned comment once again for extra tips and tools to make your cards truly special. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy holidays!